If you've ever opened your browser, typed a question into ChatGPT and wondered, is there something better out there? The answer in 2026 is yes. It's called Claude. And the question most people ask me is simple. Which one should I actually use? In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what each tool does well, where each one falls short, and how to pick the right one for what you're actually trying to do. By the end of this video, you'll know which one belongs on your screen tomorrow morning. Let's start with the basics. ChatGPT was made by a company called OpenAI. It launched in late 2022, and it became the fastest growing app in history. Today, more than 800 million people use it every week. Claude was made by a company called Anthropic. It launched in 2023. It's smaller, quieter, and used by serious professionals. Writers, lawyers, programmers, researchers. Both tools do the same basic thing. You type a question, they give you an answer. But under the hood, they think very differently. Here's the first big difference, writing. If you give Claude and ChatGPT the same writing task, say, write me a wedding speech, or write me an email to my boss, Claude will usually produce something more natural, less robotic. ChatGPT tends to over-explain and add filler words like in conclusion, or it's important to note. Claude sounds more like a careful human friend who actually thought about what to say. So if your work involves writing emails, blog posts, social media captions, or scripts, Claude is the better tool. Now the second difference, coding. Both tools can write code, but Claude is widely considered the better choice for programming today. Developers across the world have tested both, and Claude tends to produce code that actually runs with fewer bugs and clearer explanations. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, has focused heavily on this. If you're a developer or learning to code, Claude is the safer bet. ChatGPT, on the other hand, wins in two areas. First, image generation. ChatGPT has built-in image creation. Claude does not. If you need pictures, charts, or visual content, ChatGPT is the answer. Second, voice mode. ChatGPT has a feature where you can actually talk to it, like a phone call. Claude has text only. So if you want to have a real-time conversation while driving or walking, ChatGPT wins. Now let's talk about price. Both tools have a free version. The free versions are good enough for most people. If you only chat occasionally, you don't need to pay. But the paid plans matter for power users. ChatGPT Plus costs $20 a month. Claude Pro also costs $20 a month, same price. Same length of context. The choice comes down to what you actually use them for. Here's my honest recommendation. If you write a lot, choose Claude. If you code, choose Claude. If you want one AI that's genuinely better at thinking carefully through a problem, choose Claude. If you need image generation, voice chat, or you're already used to the ChatGPT interface, stick with ChatGPT. And honestly, a lot of people use both. They cost the same as one decent dinner per month. Many serious users keep ChatGPT for images and Claude for everything else. One more thing before you go, the AI landscape is changing fast. New models launch every few months. The Claude you use today is not the same Claude that existed last year. Same for ChatGPT. So don't lock yourself in forever, try both, see which one fits how your brain works. If this video helped you understand the difference, subscribe to TamcastHub. Every week, I break down one AI tool in plain English, so you can spend less time confused and more time getting things done. I'll see you in the next video.